When you have a slow website, you go to a tool like PageSpeed Insights or you go to GTmetrix and give you a bunch of metrics that what's wrong with the website. It will tell you FCP, LCP, TBT, Speed Index, what is wrong with your website. And you are sitting there thinking, okay, I can see that first contentful paint is very bad for my website. It's in red. Largest contentful paint is also very bad for my website. But what does that actually mean for me? And most importantly, how do I fix all these issues so I will have a fast website? Because honestly, let's be real, these tools are really good tools to tell you what's wrong with your website, but they're not telling you how to fix those things. For example, if I scroll the page, you can see here, we have render blocking request. Okay, we can see all these scripts, they are loading in a blocking manner. And they say, okay, do not load these scripts in blocking manner. This is very generic information. And most of the site owner, they're not trying to get a PhD or being expert into website optimization. Like I am a website optimization expert. For me, this all makes sense. For most of people, it does not make sense. Even on my YouTube channel, I have so many videos where I explain how to fix all these things. But still, for most of you, you don't want to get a PhD or you don't want to spend so much of time, hours and days to fix all this issue. Because you might have one website, you might not need to fix those things on another website. In most of the cases, what you want is to have better FCP, LCP and get a fast website. That's all. Okay, now we understand the problem. So what people will do to fix these things? Like I also explained in some of my videos that install a speed optimization plugin and then try to enable some settings and then try to fix those things. But still sometime when you enable those settings in speed optimization plugin, you will not see the effect here. And for beginners, it can be really overwhelming and complicated to enable settings in speed optimization plugin and then see the effect on FCP, LCP and TBT. But if you're using WRocket plugin, you do not need to switch back all the time with this page speed test result and your website change those settings. No, you do not need to do all those things. Because WRocket has this new feature, it's called Rocket Insight, and the Rocket Insight is powered by GTmetrix. And it will calculate overall score of your website and you can also track individual pages of your website. You can see here, I'm tracking the home page here and then I'm taking another page. You can add up to 10 pages here. Even you can schedule these tests to monitor website speed on weekly, daily and monthly basis. So you can make sure you monitor any change in your website speed before your users notice that slow website. Okay, now you must be thinking, okay, we can see our website speed result here, we can track everything, very good. But what about this complicated TBT, FCP fixing? So WRocket recently launched Rocket Insight, but I'm really impressed with this another feature. It's called recommendation. So if you just scroll here on the right side here, you see a recommendation. You can see delay JavaScript execution, it will impact on TBT and you can just click here and activate it. For example, load JavaScript deferred, click on activate and it will impact your LCP and TBT. For example, here we can see we have issue with FCP website and why we have bad FCP, you can see here. So here page speed is showing us what's bad with our website, but here when we go to WRocket, it's showing us what we can do about it. If I click on activate and then you can see delay JavaScript execution and then when I enable this and then click on save change, it will improve the TBT of the website because what we are doing here, we are delaying the JavaScript. And this recommendation is really cool feature and I think this will bridge the gap between all these page speed tools, what they explain you what's wrong with the website but not telling you how to fix it. Here this all Rocket Insight and this recommended section comes into the picture. And I think this makes WRocket the best paid plugin for speed optimization. And here you can see since they integrated GTmetrix inside WRocket plugin, inside your website dashboard, it makes everything very simple. And you can do unlimited tests from here. For people who use GTmetrix, they know there's a paid. With WRocket, you get free access to GTmetrix and you can do unlimited tests. You can monitor up to 10 important pages of your website, unlimited time here directly inside your WRocket dashboard under Rocket Insight. Okay, let me give you a live example how easy it is to use Rocket Insight and optimize your website using WRocket plugin. You can go to WRocket website. Right now they're having massive sale and I think it's a really good chance to get WRocket plugin at this discounted price. If you have single website, you can take single license. If you have more than one website, take plus. If you have multi-website, you have a lot of website, you can buy multi-website license. So once you click on buy WRocket here, add your email, first name, last name, your address. So once you place the order, you log in inside your WRocket account. You can just click here on download WRocket and the plugin will be downloaded. So now once the plugin is downloaded, we're going to install this on a website. But before that, let me show you the before scores so that we can compare that how useful WRocket is and how we can use Rocket Insight and how much effect it will bring to our website with like very minimal effort. And because I want to show you that why this is the best paid plugin, because every time I optimize any website with it, It's like very easy process. You can see scoring 64, which is not really good score, especially for mobile devices. We'll go back to the website dashboard, and from left side bar, you can click on add plugin here, and then click on upload plugin, browse, locate the file we just downloaded. This is the file we have just downloaded. Open and then click on install now. Plugin installed, click on activate plugin. Then you can find WRocket in left side bar, hover on settings, click on WRocket. And now if I retest my website, click on analyze. If you want to watch a full video about all the settings of WRocket, I will add a link in description. You can watch the detailed video, but this video was more focused on Rocket Insight and how WRocket can help you with your website speed test, and then how you can apply recommendation to get the fast website. And you can see now I'm scoring 100 out of 100, which is not a realistic score. In your case, if you're getting more than 90 plus, that's really good enough. Because on this website, I do not have Google Analytics, I do not have Search Console, I do not have Tag Manager script. But in your case, when you will have all the script, you will not get 100 out of 100, and do not expect your website to be 100 out of 100. If it is getting 90 plus, that's very good scores, that's fair enough, and that's the practical score you should be focusing for. For desktop also, you can see I'm scoring 100 out of 100, and you can see now my FCP, LCP, everything is scoring very, very well. I think WRocket is the best paid optimization plugin. It will save you days, or not days, but hours and hours of hard work. Just install WRocket, and with Rocket Insight, you can see your website scores. You can monitor website speed on daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. And the best part is recommendation. Just get the recommendation for WRocket and then activate those recommendations and get the really, really good scores. You can find the link in description. They have massive sale going on WRocket. And if you're serious about your website speed, want to get more traffic, better ranking, I think WRocket plugin is totally worth it. You can use the link in description, or you can scan the QR code on screen to get the best discount in WRocket. Even after the sale ends, I will keep updating those links so you get the best discount, whichever discount or sale is running that period of time. Let me know in comments how much scores you are able to get for your website using WRocket plugin. And if you have any other questions regarding WRocket plugin or website speed optimization, please comment below. I'll be really happy to answer your comments. I'll reply to all the comments on this channel. If you want to watch a very detailed video about each and every option on WRocket, check this video on screen.